What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, we're going to be unboxing and installing this new product from HiBoost. This is their Traveler 3.0 ExplorerX cell phone booster for overland and off-roading use. So big thanks to HiBoost for sending me this unit so I can test it out on my rig. Before anything else, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Right, so let's go ahead and open these and check out what's inside the box. So first off, you got these, and of course you have your user manual for vehicle, ExplorerX. It looks like this is the extension for the antenna, and of course you have the actual booster here. You have your indoor, you got your DC in, outdoor USB, and looks like you have some Velcro with adhesive and some zip ties and 3M tape. And here it looks like this is the I think this is the one that will hold the antenna once you fold it down. And under the box you have this mounting bracket for some round rack. If you have like a rounded basket roof rack, there's going to be the attachment for it. And this is the main base plate for the antenna booster. So the good thing about these, you could actually turn it this way, fold it this way, so it has a 180-degree angle that you can fold your antenna. And of course, this is the actual antenna right here with its cord and cable. And you also got some, it looks like these are some adhesive pads. I don't know yet what is this for, but also got some hardwares here. You have your bolts and nuts, and of course you have your 12-volt cigarette lighter plug or power supply that you can plug into your 12-volt adapter. And you also have your pretty much your indoor antenna that you can mount inside the vehicle. Okay, so pretty much we have all the parts here. This is the main pretty much antenna, and you got your cable that you can connect to this extension cable here. It goes inside this extension and it goes out here, and you can plug it into the actual booster. And you have your spring-loaded thing that you can put on the antenna. So and you have your hardware, and this is the main base plate that you can install on your roof rack, your 12-volt plug-in, and this is the indoor antenna that you can put inside your rig. So that's pretty much all the components that goes with it. So let's go ahead and try to install it and see how it works. What I was thinking about installing the antenna right here and attach it to this crossbar. I'm using a Prinsu rack, but the problem that I'm having is the base plate that goes with it. Actually, it's flat like these. And the good thing about these, it swivels like 180 degrees this way. So to be able for me to utilize that the swivel feature, I'm gonna have to mount it this way. But I don't have any room on top of my rack since I do have a rooftop tent. So I was thinking about mounting it this way, but it's gonna swivel left and right. So I'm gonna have to be a little bit creative here. So I'm thinking about putting a like an L-shaped bracket that goes this way, and I'm gonna attach it to the rack so I can mount it this way here. But let's see how it goes. First off, I'm gonna have to find all the hardware that I need, or hardwares that I need, so I can create like a base plate here so I can mount these this way. But let's see how it goes. Okay, so there's actually going to be a change of plan. I was thinking about actually utilizing this slot that I have here for the from my awning. So I found the old brackets that I have from my old awning. So I was thinking about just putting it here on the side. So I'm going to try to bolt this bracket here, and I'll probably just cut it along this line. So that way I will have it here, and I'm gonna have pretty much the actual antenna swivel front and up. So let's see what I'm gonna come up with. But before that, I'm gonna try and cut this probably somewhere over in this area, just to make it a little bit shorter, so that way we will have pretty much like a base plate here, so we can install the antenna base plate on this area. Okay, so I finally cut the bracket that I am going to use. So got it right here. So what I'm going to be doing is pretty much I'm going to set it up like that, and that's going to serve as a base plate. I will show you guys how am I going to do it, but don't ask me how I cut these two brackets here. All I can say is my hand is hurting right now. So let's go ahead and mount these on the side of the awning, and then we're gonna start mounting this base plate. I'm gonna show you what I did. So I did mount those two L brackets that I had. This is the one that I cut. So don't mind this lone bolts right here for now. This is the only one that I have on my toolbox, so I just put them on temporarily. As soon as I get a shorter one, I will go ahead and replace these. But I just want to see how it actually fits on the side of the awning. And so you can see this is the base plate for the antenna. So you can easily pull this one here and swivel it. So when I'm not using the antenna, it's going to be pointed that way. So I will show you guys as soon as I attach the antenna. So this, like I said, this is the good feature about these. You can swivel it up, and you can even swivel it this way here. So far this is what I got. I will go ahead and continue the process of installing everything and wiring everything, and we're gonna go ahead and test it out. We are going to go ahead and install these. So we're gonna assemble the antenna. So it looks like this one would actually go all the way here with the cable. Pull that one out. And then we're just gonna go ahead and turn these. Make sure it's tight. And we have this attachment here, so the wire or the cable will go inside and it will go out this way. So we're going to go ahead and line it up. Right there. Cool. So once we got everything lined up, pretty much we're just going to turn it. We're going to screw it in. I don't know how to line this up right here, this groove, but it's not lining up, so I don't really know. Actually it would line up, but hey, that should be alright, I guess. And then we have the spring-loaded thing here. So this one will go here at the bottom. Cool. So we have this one-piece antenna here, and you also have this attachment, and this is the one that we're gonna put on the mount. Cool. And then now we're gonna install the actual antenna. So we're gonna use this attachment here. I believe it goes right there. And then we have the actual antenna here. So we're just gonna screw this on. And as far as my indoor antenna, I just run the cables on the side of the seat underneath, going pretty much all the way at the back. So I'm just gonna leave it right here. Whenever I don't need it, I'm just gonna keep it right on inside the center console. So, but for now, I'm just gonna leave it right here. Okay, so the way I ran the cable, I just run it right here. So it's not the prettiest, but this is how I did it. So I had the cable running inside this panel here, and it pretty much goes on the side all the way at the bottom, or the actual booster underneath. So it's in there. So it's under my spare compartment. So this is where I usually store all my, other stuff like jacks, go threads, some emergency, stuff that I might need. So I have the booster down there, and I run the cable or the 12 volt right here because I have a 12 volt plug here at the back of the RAV. So whenever I need it, I'm just gonna pretty much plug it in, turn it on, so I can use the booster. Yeah, so aside from that, everything was so easy to install, and let's go ahead and give it a try to see how it works. Okay, so we are here at the place where I usually get 1 bar of signal strength. So we are going to turn on the high boost cell phone booster to see if it's going to improve it. Okay, so now as you can see, after turning on the high boost cell phone booster, we are now getting 5 bars. Again, I would like to thank High Boost for sending me this unit so I can test it out on my rig. If you guys want to get one for yourself, make sure to click that link down below, and you can use my code Paul20 to get some extra savings with no additional cost to you. So again, thanks for watching. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video.